Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a group of insects. Known for their hard, protective wing covers, generally not human-friendly, but fascinating to observe. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as beetles, beetles, tilts, beetles. Beetles are known for their diverse shapes and sizes, their role in decomposing organic material, and their protective elytra, which cover and shield their delicate hind wings. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about beetles, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.